Hello friends, do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Look at the board and can you find the square that has the last shape we drew for our pattern? Which shape is it? Can you tell me what color it is? What color is it? The purple triangle. Good job. The purple triangle was the last shape in our square. So that tells us that that was yesterday, and yesterday was Friday, January the 22nd, 2021. So now we figure out what today is. Before we figure out what the number and the day and the month are, let's put in the shape that we need to put into today. Can you figure out what it is? What do you think comes after our purple triangle? Ooh, let's see if your guess is correct. Let's go back to the beginning and let's do the pattern together and see which shape ends up here. Okay, ready? Orange circle, purple triangle, 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 orange circle. Good job. Thank you for doing that pattern with me. Let's put an orange circle in our square here. We'll color that in. What else are we missing on our square? What is in the other squares that tells us what day it is that isn't in this square yet? Do you see it? What's in this square that's not in this square? The number? That's right. Let's see, what comes after 22? Yesterday was the 22nd. So we say 22nd when we put the number into the calendar. What comes after 22 and we count? Do you know? Let's go back to the beginning and count together, because sometimes when we count out the numbers, it helps us to remember what comes after the last number. So let's go back to the beginning and count with me. And if you don't know all your numbers yet, that's okay, because we can count together and learn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Did you guess 23? 23 is a 2 and a 3 together. 23. So if yesterday was Friday, what do you think today is? Which day of the week? Do you remember how many days of the week there are? Let's count them and see if you're correct. Let's go up to here and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. And today is the 23rd. We'll go up and it is Saturday. Are you excited for Saturday? Is Saturday a special day for you? Sometimes it's special for people. Some people don't have to work. Some people have to work, but usually there's no school. It's kind of a fun day to get things done around the house and maybe visit people or do some activities. Let's see. So now we need to do the month. Do you remember how many months there are in the year? How many months do we have to choose from? Ooh, I hear some good guesses. Let's count and see if we're correct. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 months in the year. Let's say all of their names together. Are you ready? January, February, March and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good try. So out of all of those months, the month that we are in is at the very top. It's January. So if we go to the beginning here, let's spell out January. It has a capital J because it's the name of the month, and it goes January, January. And the year is 2021. 2021. So now that we know all of the information from our calendar, let's put it in our sentence today so that we know what today is. Today is Saturday. So I'm going to put a capital S because Saturday is the name of the day. Capital S, A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, and then a comma. And we're going to pause when we say our sentence because that comma means to just pause for 1 second. January, capital J because it's the name of the month. A-N-U-A-R-Y, and then the number of the day, 23, and we say 23rd because it's part of the calendar. 2 and a 3, 23rd, and then a comma, and then the year, 2021, 2021, period. Let's say it all together. Are you ready? Today is Saturday, comma, January 23rd, comma, 2021, period. So the period means stop. We're not going to say anything else after that. So let's do it again, all together. One more time. Today is Saturday, January 23rd, 2021. Thank you for saying that with me. That's great. The more we practice, the better we'll get. Now, did you look outside before we started to see what the weather was like? I would love to know what the weather is like where you live. Is it rainy? Do you have rain today coming out of the clouds? It's not rainy where I live. What about cloudy? Is it cloudy where you live? I looked outside and I didn't see any clouds today. And it's not windy either. Is it windy where you live? What about sunny? Today it is sunny where I live. And there's no clouds, so it's not even partly cloudy, partly sunny. It is just sunny. And there's no snow today. Do you have snow where you are? Is it snowing? It's sunny where I am today. So I'm going to put sunny on our weather chart. And sunny is the first one on our chart, so we don't have to look very far. So I'm going to put a tally mark here, but as I can see, we already have some. How many do we have? Do you remember what this means when we have a slash through 4? We got 1, 2, 3, 4 tally marks, and then another one that goes all the way through. And that means 5. So if you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus one more is 6. And we're going to put another one on there. Do you remember how to make a tally mark? Put your finger up high and slash it down. That's right. Do it with me. Put your finger up high and slash it down. So we had 6 and we added one more. 6 plus 1 is how many? Let's see if your guess is correct. So this is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 6, plus 1 is 6, and plus another one is 7. So we've had 7 sunny days in January. That's really nice. We've got some sunny days, especially since it was raining yesterday. It's going to be quite slushy today. Maybe some of it will melt some more. So yesterday I wanted to write a letter to my cousin, and I did that. So I'm going to check that off. And I'm going to put the date for today, and it's Saturday. So we're going to put a capital S. You can try on your paper too at home. Capital S, A, T, U, R, D, A, Y, comma, capital J, because it's the name of the month, A, N, U, A, R, Y. And do you remember what the number was? 23rd. I ran out of room here, so I'm going to go back down here. 23rd, comma, and the year is 2021, 2021. And because it's the 23rd day, I'm going to practice my numbers all the way up to 23. You can do it with me on your paper. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I ran out of room, so I'm going to go down and come back to the beginning. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, I ran out of room. I'm going to come down and go back to the beginning. 21, 22, 23. That's a lot of numbers, but then I'm going to get really good at making them. That's really good. So today is sunny, so I'm going to put a sun here. You see my yellow sun? And today, I'm going to go to the post office because I didn't get to mail my letter yesterday. So I put it in an envelope, and I don't have any stamps, but I can buy one from the post office. So I'm going to go to the post office and buy a stamp, and then I'm going to put it in the mailbox slot. So mailboxes kind of look different some days. Some of them are kind of like a round shape like this. And then it comes down. What do your mailboxes look like? Do they have a certain color? Are they a certain color? And this is the door. So there's a handle there and I pull it open and I put my letter in there and then I shut the door. And then the mail carrier will come and pick up my letter and take it to my cousin for me. We'll just color this in red. What color are your mailboxes? Are they blue? I've seen some gray ones as well. Gray, blue, red. Sometimes the post office box will just have a slot in their counter, and that is also like a mailbox. That letter will go out, get mailed as well. And then I'm going to put my name at the bottom, so I'm going to practice every day. Capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. So if you don't know how to print all your letters yet, or print the words for Saturday in January, you can just start with your letters. And you just pick one letter a day to practice. And today we're going to practice our R. And do you remember how to make it? We start up at the top and go down. And we go back up to the top and make a loop. And then we make another line down. Practice with your finger if you don't have a paper to practice with me. If you've got a paper, you can do it with your crayon. So you're going to start up here and make a line all the way down. And then you're going to go back up to the top and you're going to go all the way around. And then make another line down on an angle. That is a capital R, or an uppercase R, or a big R, sometimes we call it. And this is a lowercase r, and it is half the size. Can you see how big it is? It only comes halfway up of the big R. We're going to make a line. So you start at the top and go down like a slash, like a tally mark. Then you go back up and you make a little arch coming out of it. So we'll start at the top and we'll go down and then make an arch. There, that's our R. Practice one letter every day and you'll get really good, and eventually you'll know all your letters and you'll be able to print any of the words that you would like to. So today, let's see, how are we feeling? Do you know how you're feeling today? Sometimes it's okay to not know. If we talk about it, we might be able to figure it out. So yesterday I was a little bit nervous about getting my letter done and that I might make some spelling mistakes. I'm not sure if my cousin will like it, but I think it turned out pretty well. So I don't think I'm nervous anymore. Let's see. Am I angry? Think I would be angry? Everything worked out and I get to go out today and I get to go to the post office to buy a stamp. So I don't think I'm angry. Do you think I'm content? So happy? Peaceful? That could be me today. Let's just stick that one down there. What about sad? Do you think I'm sad today? I don't think I'm sad today. Are you sad today? Sometimes we could be sad if something happened to us that we didn't like or our feelings got hurt. What about happy? Are you happy today? I love it when my people are happy, so I would love it if you're happy, but if you're not happy, that's okay too. I'm not super excited, or am I? I get to go to the post office today. I was going to say that I just feel okay and kind of content, but you know what? I think I'm kind of excited because I get to go to the post office and mail my letter. So let's put that up there today. So today I'm excited that I get to mail my letter. So let's see. Have you thought about something kind that you can do today? Did you read your book yesterday? What about if today we hold the door open for somebody? You know how you might be sitting on a couch and somebody's coming in your house, maybe your grown-up or a sibling or a cousin or a friend or a neighbor, and you can get up and open the door for them. Or when I go to the post office today, if somebody's going in the door, I will hold the door open for them so that they can go in without having to touch the door or push the door. Sometimes people are old or they have an injury and they can't push the door by themselves. It's kind of hard, so it's nice for us to hold it open for them. Can you think of any other times you could hold the door open? Maybe your grown-up's doing laundry and they need to get into a room and they can't because the door is closed and their arms are full of laundry. There's a couple different situations that you can hold the door open for people. Give it a try. I bet you they'll say thank you. So I hope you have a good day. I hope you find something kind to do, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.